So at last, stop it, guys. Yes, guys, it's Geminil77. I know, guys, you are all shocked that I am revealing my voice. I didn't make any video with my voice earlier, but do not today. I am forced to make this video. Finally, guys, I am seeing, watching, hearing everywhere that White is a hacker. White Triple Four is a hacker. Every YouTuber is exposing him at White is using hack, blah blah blah, etc etc. So guys, I wanna just say that, is White really a hacker? What do you think, guys? Yes, now you know the players who I have seen that they are using White Triple Four name, that they can also play like White Triple Four if they give name White Triple Four. But they are also saying that he is using hack. He has broken my heart. He has broken his heart. He had broken millions of heart using hack, blah, etc etc etc. I don't know he is really using hack or not. I just want to say that, guys, on a 2 or 3 second video, yes, I am showing that video, I can get strike. Yes, no problem, let me get strike. But today it is important, guys. The legend, yes, legend is the small thing. The every player now in this time, every Free Fire player know the name of White Triple Four for his gameplay. Everyone believes that he is the best player in the world. Every means, I don't know what I want to say, but still, guys. So means I am just, I am just shocked, totally shocked, for not that the 2 or 3 second video, means the video which every YouTuber is showing that White game crashes and he using script in the background and the script run in his live stream. Means what happened, I don't know. I also didn't have any idea about any script. Yes, guys, I don't know nothing about any hack or script or anything else. But still, guys, every YouTuber is showing that, and some YouTubers is also saying that many thanks to God. Sorry, guys, I am not here to spread hate, but still, guys, I have to say that many YouTubers is saying that thank to God that at that time White game crashes and we came to know that White is using script. I wanna just say that, bro, guys, all fan of White Triple Four. It doesn't matter it is girl or boy, but all the fan of White Triple Four, you are not the real fan of White Triple Four. Now you will ask what I am saying, lol. You will ask that why we are a true fan of White Triple Four, but he is not a good player. He is not a real player. He uses hack for gaining subscribers, etc. But why I am saying that you are not the true fan of White Triple Four, guys? This guy White Triple Four has left the YouTube for some time. Yes, guys, I don't know what has happened or what is happened. Somebody says that his idea is also banned. Earlier the first idea of White Triple Four has banned. I also don't know is it true or not, because I don't know, guys. That's not the problem, but problem is that you are all fan of White Triple Four and someone, and we also don't know perfectly who viral this video, 2 or 3 second video, that White is using script, and on the basis of that video you all guys believing that White is using hack. So guys, you are saying White 444 is a hacker. So let me show you a video of a hacker, not White 444, a hacker. Okay, a normal hacker, or normal means a hacker. Okay, see this video. So you have seen the video of a hacker. Okay, now I am showing you White 444 video. So many guys will say that White 444 is also a hacker. Why you are showing his video? Just see na.
Taking you to Malibu tonight. Hop in, baby, we can take a ride. Give you what you dream of. With me inside, you lose control. It's not what it seems all alone. Baby, don't worry what you don't know. Give you what you dream of. Give you what you dream of. I know it's hard to believe. I'll give you what you need, and baby, we can give you what you want.
See this headshot, guys. You can't take this headshot at this position. So what did you just see now? It's White 444 gameplay, and earlier you saw a hacker gameplay. So now guys, you compare yourself White 444 gameplay with a hacker. Okay, with a hacker gameplay. Now from which angle White 444 is a hacker? Means from which angle you can compare a hacker with a White 444. Yes, he is giving headshot, he is crouching a squad in a second. It doesn't matter, na, he is a hacker. Is it matters he is a hacker? No, he is a PC player. First of all guys, he is a PC player. White 444 is a PC player, and not only a PC player, he is the world's best player. Means there are many legends, means there are many legends, but still in that list White also come. White 444 also come in the list of legends. So not only becoming a PC player, he is in the list of legends. Yes, there may be some skills. Yes, there are some skills of White 444. He is a undefeatable player. Yes guys, White 444 is a undefeatable player. Now all YouTubers are saying that White, no one can beat White 444 because he is using hack. So guys, I just wanna say to the fan of White 444 that if you are real fan of White 444, then please, for God's sake, don't believe in such 2 or 3 second video, or don't go through any YouTuber else. Because why I am saying this type of things? Because firstly, I am an Indian. Okay, many guys were asking me, you are Indian or not? Yes, I am an Indian, guys. So firstly, from India there is Ristar. One time, you know guys, Ristar, other countries people also know Yes, guys, other countries FF players also know Reister. It's India Reister, India's fastest player. Everyone says him. One time he had also gained such type of allegations when he learned one tap, when his gameplay is out of the country. You know, no one can do gameplay like him in India at that time. About 1.5 years ago, guys, means 2 years you can take it. Okay, so after all, after that, when he proves himself that he is not a hacker, everyone saying just, everyone just fake exposing him for, I don't know for what, but still every India's big YouTubers was running to expose Reister, and let Reister go. I am saying about our BNL, it's OP BNL, who invented one tap headshot. Yes, guys, who invented one tap headshot in a Free Fire. OP BNL. Many allegations has came on him. Many allegations. Everyone saying he is a hacker. He is using hack. Every big YouTubers, means I just don't wanna take their names. Every big YouTubers involved in this exposed videos. Involved in his exposed videos. Sorry, guys, means everyone was going to, means everyone was going to expose BNL. Every big YouTubers involves that they also says BNL is a hacker, he is using scripts. But when the one tap tricks came in front of everyone, in front of FF world, then everybody says that he is a legend. That type of things, that guys, this is the world now, this is the time of computer, PC, editing. You all guys know that anyone can do anything. Yes, guys, for gaining views, or you can say for any reason, anyone can do anything. So for a 2 or 3 second video which is not fully, means I have showed, I didn't show now till now, I have seen that 2 or 3 second video in minimum 13 to 14 videos. Okay, 13 to 14 different YouTube channels who exposed White 444. Yes, who exposed White 444. I have seen about 13 to 14 videos in which that 2 or 3 second video is highlighted. Okay, which is also not fully HD. You know, you can't read what is showing in that white box when white game crashes. It is just blur. And on the basis of that 2 or 3 second video, you all guys are saying White is using script, White is using script, White is using script, White is a hacker, he break million of hearts, he is doing that, blah blah blah. You just going on that someone videos, and the guy White 444, whom you say that I am the big fan of White 444, I am the big fan of White 444. Now you are saying that he is a hacker. I am not fan of White 444. Let the guy say whom you are giving, on whom you are giving that allegations. Just wait what the guy says. You have no proof, nothing, that he is using hack, nothing, etc. Nothing, just nothing. Only just 3 second video. And on the basis of a 3 second video, you are just saying anything, what you have coming on your mouth, you just saying, and everyone is believing. So don't do this, guys. And I am just shocked, you know, I am also just shocked for some videos that those who when white is appreciated by many peoples by when he is growing at his growing stage, those YouTubers who didn't know the name of White 444, yes I know they know the name of White 444, but they didn't supported him that go check these videos, he is playing good, he is a PC player, everyone is saying. Those YouTubers who didn't make any appreciating video, and those YouTubers while asking him that why 444, you know why 444, they says no I don't know what 444, who is it. Now those YouTubers while exposing, they are at the front line, they are exposing White 444. Some days before they don't know White 444, but when they saw that 2-3 second video, they going to expose White 444, like they know everything about White 444, that White 444 is using hack from starting, means they know everything about White 444. They are pretending to know everything about White 444, that they know everything, no one knows White 444 like them, they are just doing this thing. So White, I know I am not able to call myself a YouTuber, but still guys, I also know no one will watch my video, but still guys, I want to make the video, I want to share my feelings with you, that's why I make this video. White, if you seeing my video, please give a reply, and I will not say I am a big fan of yours like everybody, but I am a real fan of yours. I am just wanna hear that what is everyone doing, going to make video or saying is wrong. If you have proof, then give proof, and if you have no proof, no problem. There many times happen, it also happens with me. If someday I get time, I will share with you, but still guys, if you had no proof, no problem, White 444, because we are the real fan, and whom or who are the real fan of yours, you just say one time no, you just give the reply that what is running is fake, everything fake, just we just don't need anything else, we just happy with that, we just wanna hear a reply from you White 444. So thank you guys, that's it for today. I don't know how is the video or what mistake did I made in this video. Firstly of all, English is a universal language, everyone can understand English. I know guys I am not proper, but still guys, that's it for today. So guys, like every video, if you like the video then please like, if you didn't like the video then dislike, comment your suggestion so that I can do better from next time. Subscribe the channel, new channel guys, need support. Okay guys, thank you for watching, bye guys, see you in the next video.